Today we're here to talk about the next step in home networking made simple with the Linksys Wireless N broadband router. Aaron joins us to tell us all about it. Welcome.
Thanks, Drew. Thanks for having me.
Well, Aaron, I know Wireless N is new, so maybe we should start out by having you talk about that technology a little bit.
Wireless N is the new technology, and the great benefit of Wireless N is the range and coverage that it affords, whether no more dead spots, bigger houses, wider areas, either inside your house or even outside at the pool.
Great. Well, the one thing I definitely noticed right out of the box is the new form factor of the router. Tell us a little bit about that.
Wireless technology and networks have become a much bigger part of our lives today, so we wanted to make sure that the router fit those lifestyles, whether in the bedroom, living room, or even home office. So we definitely made a big change to the industrial designs of our product.
Now, normally you see some external antennas sticking out. What's the case here? Because obviously I don't see those.
Well, we absolutely have antennas. Our Range Plus internal antennas are now inside the product. Similar to your cell phone or even car, you get the same performance, but without the look of those external antennas.
What were the goals behind the new model?
In addition to improving the industrial design, we really wanted to focus on ease of use. We have the Linksys EasyLink Advisor, which literally allows consumers to click through, get started without understanding complicated networking terms, and even choose the appropriate security for their network.
Aaron, what about the consumer that wants to use this as a wired router as well as a wireless? Talk to us about the wired functionality.
It has 4 wired ports, so we do understand that not everybody is going to use wireless all the time, so you have that option and the flexibility of those 4 10100 ports.
Is the Wireless N router compatible with the older versions of wireless that's out in the market today?
One of the great benefits of N is it is indeed compatible with A, B, or G technologies, but we really recommend that you match it with a Wireless N adapter in order to maximize the range and speed that N provides.
Aaron, we've definitely covered a lot. Is there anything else that we need to know about the router?
In addition to looking great, it's really going to improve your gaming, printing, or just internet surfing experience.